You spend hours tailoring your resume, only to watch it vanish into the silent void of online application portals. In the next 6 minutes, you will learn how to use Perplexity AI to bypass that line entirely and pinpoint open jobs that match your exact experience. Even better, we will force the AI to identify the specific hiring manager for each role, giving you a direct point of contact. To execute this, you need 3 things: a free Perplexity account, a finalized PDF resume, and an open tab on LinkedIn. By moving away from blind online submissions, you regain control over your job hunt through targeted, direct networking. Navigate to Perplexity.ai. You will notice its interface is built strictly for clean, immediate search. Look at this Attach File icon right inside the search bar. Click it and upload your finalized resume. While Perplexity excels at live internet parsing, it cannot read your mind. It requires highly rigid instructions to operate as your specialized recruiter. We start by building a master prompt. The first phase commands the AI to search for open job postings that explicitly fit the data in your attached resume. The second phase instructs the AI to read every single job posting it finds and extract organizational indicators regarding the leadership structure. The third phase demands an X-ray search of LinkedIn. The AI uses those data points to locate exact profile links for those suspected leaders. This text on screen is the complete master prompt. Ask it to search for jobs fitting the attached resume, look for indicators of the hiring manager, conduct an X-ray search of LinkedIn for their profile, and present back a list of jobs with a match confidence level and the manager's link. Applying these exact constraints turns a basic chatbot into an automated, targeted research assistant. Hit enter, and the AI immediately generates a prioritized list of specific open roles tailored precisely to your background. Next to each job, you will see a match confidence score. The system calculates these percentages by weighing your specific resume experience against the stated requirements of the role. To verify how it reached these conclusions, click the Thinking dropdown. This reveals the transparent mechanics of the AI sourcing its data in real time. You will notice it relies heavily on the X-ray search to bypass standard limitations found within LinkedIn's native search engine. This diagram shows how an X-ray search works. Adding the operator site:/linkedin.com/in forces the engine to block standard websites and isolate professional profiles. The AI then cross-references these profiles against internal indicators found in the original job descriptions. Understanding this back-end logic allows you to trust the data and confidently verify the reasoning behind the AI selections. The final output gives you a specific name and direct hyperlink to the likely hiring manager. Be aware of the first potential failure point. The AI is making a highly educated guess, and it successfully identifies the exact boss about 50% of the time. However, even when it misses the direct manager, it reliably points you to senior team members in the right department who can act as powerful internal referrals. Looking at this generated LinkedIn profile, you must manually verify their location, department, and active status before initiating any contact. The AI automates the heavy lifting of discovery, but your human verification remains the required final step before you start networking. You now have a complete toolkit, a curated list of jobs, confidence scores to prioritize your applications, and direct links to actual decision makers. You are fully equipped to stop applying blindly and start networking intelligently. For more strategies to navigate your career, visit JobSearch.Community. There, you can access insider coaching from Jeff Altman, comprehensive video courses, books, and standalone products designed to accelerate your search. Please like, share, comment, and follow the channel to ensure this methodology reaches other job seekers who need it. Best of luck in your search.